Every week there is a new best indicator on TradingView, and most of them disappoint. But this one surprised me. The signals were clean, the timing was sharp, and it handled volatility better than most tools I've tested. The backtesting results made it clear. Watch the full video without skipping to discover the indicator name and our secret settings. During this video, we also will show you how you can access our top-notch private indicator, Quant Algo, which tells when to buy and when to sell, thus giving you an insane advantage over other traders. Without further ado, let's dive into a new indicator that will serve as the foundation of our TradingView strategy. Please note that the information in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It should not be considered financial advice. Remember that trading with indicators involves risk. The indicator is an advanced trend-following rail system that combines dual look-back price averaging with adaptive ATR-based trailing levels for clean trend identification and momentum-sensitive visual feedback. Unlike traditional moving average systems prone to whipsaw during choppy conditions, the indicator creates definitive trend states that persist through minor pullbacks. As a result, traders receive institutional-grade trend detection. As you can see, we have a trend indicator on the chart with a single main line, and you might assume it is just another one among the hundreds available on TradingView. But that is not the case at all, at least because we never show low-quality indicators. But back to business. The indicator is unique because it calculates the main line using two look-back periods we set in the settings to sample recent price history at different intervals. The system pulls closing prices from the first and second look-back periods, averages them, applies SMA smoothing, and then follows with EMA smoothing to create an ultra-clean baseline. In the next step, it trails price using an ATR scale distance from the baseline, combined with ratcheting logic that helps filter out wrong early reversals. In the end, we get a trend main line that only flips when a genuine structural change occurs, delivering very accurate signals. And the trading rules are straightforward. When the price moves above the main line, the ladder changes its color to green. This effectively signals a long entry. Right on cue, look at the explosive move that followed, delivering impressive gains. In a bearish scenario, when the price drops below the main line, it becomes red and a red label appears. This is what we need to see to go short. And boom, the indicator is very good at identifying downtrends, which is a true advantage in today's market. Ready to upgrade your chart? To apply this top-tier indicator, open the Indicator tab. Before we continue, if you want to support our channel and all this hard work by our team, smash that like and subscribe button. It takes just a second. Type Premium Price Action, and then click on the following one. Want to level up your trading? Meet Quant Algo, our top private indicator, which can be used in combination with previously discussed indicators or on its own. This high-quality algorithm, which combines complex trading processes to tell you when to buy and when to sell, was developed to enhance your trading experience. You can use it on any time frame for different asset classes. So, if you want to access Quant Algo to get results fast, all links will be in the description and the comment section below. Without this algo, will put you at a disadvantage. Keep in mind that jumping into trading at this stage is not a good idea, as the indicator is currently operating at only about a fifth of its power, something clearly reflected in the weak backtesting results. As usual, part of the weakness comes from consolidation phases, which are often exposed to multiple false signals. But the bigger issue is that almost everyone overlooks the fact that the indicator settings need to be optimized for the specific asset and time frame, and applying the right trading filter helps eliminate as many false signals as possible. So, open the Inputs menu, where we will work with two groups of parameters, one controlling the look-back, or the core engine, and the other handling the second stage of trend identification. We start with the first look-back, a very important parameter used in the initial stage of trend identification. For the 15-minute time frame, we increase the value to 14. Next, there is the SMA length, which helps the indicator smooth the look-back periods in the initial step. Use higher values to filter out more noise. Change it to 88. Then we have the baseline smoothing, which handles the intelligent rail calculation in the second stage of trend identification. Adjust the value to 6. Finally, there's a supportive parameter called ribbon width, so change it to 0.6. As of now, we can move on to the equally important step of adding a trading filter. to improve the results even more. The confirmation we used is a cutting-edge oscillator that combines fractal market structure analysis with adaptive volatility weighting and multi-derivative calculations to identify high-probability trend reversals and continuation setups. It filters out poor entries during consolidation by applying multi-layer confirmation driven by acceleration analysis, statistical band context, and dynamic omega weighting. So, to validate a long trade entry from the trend indicator, the fractal flow area should have a green color. At the same time, a sell signal from the first indicator is confirmed when the fractal flow area is colored red. And here's why we use this indicator. It filtered out multiple wrong entries that remained after the first step. To add this powerful filter, go to the indicator window, search for dynamic fractal flow, and select the one displayed here. For effective filtering, change the fractal length to 7. Here are textbook examples of long and short trades following our recommended risk management rules, with the stop placed beyond the most recent swing low or high, while targeting a 1.5 to 1 risk-to-reward ratio. To assess the strategy performance, we'll leverage the Quant Capital Strategy Builder, our mind-blowing tool that generates backtesting data for any TradingView indicator in less than a minute. Just open the Builder's settings, go to the Set Long Conditions tab, choose the parameter that corresponds to the indicator's buy signals, and then do the same for the bearish side. And your backtesting report is ready. Note that backtesting results are shown for educational purposes only. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Here's Ethereum on the 15-minute time frame, displaying the results achieved using only the optimized trend indicator. We're looking at a fairly average 54% win rate, a not bad 166% net profit, and a very high max drawdown of 35%. It is clear that improvements are needed. So head to the Builder settings, where our filter is already built in and optimized, and switch it on. Voila! We boosted the win rate to 67%. Lowered the max drawdown to 19%, and got an even higher net profit of 263% from only 79 trades, an outstanding combination. Looking closer, the strategy achieved 9 consecutive winning trades compared to 4 losses in a row. The equity curve is amazing, and as always, the strategy significantly outperformed a buy-and-hold approach. So, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. It really motivates us to keep creating and sharing fresh content more frequently.